Okay, this video is informative about, as we know, the coronavirus is much more peak in the society. In that society, what are the burdens to the doctors? See, if the burden is more to the doctor and what is his mind setup, that is going to contribute to his immune system. And what are the factors contributing to his immunological changes, and what is the possible support to the doctors in this situation. See, as we are frontline workers called as corona warriors, we health staffs are much more exposed to the virus. That's a high viral load. We are going to exposure in the hospitals or in case of corona ward. This is the first point. And next one is we are at the higher risk because we are continuously in touch with the patients, continuously you are monitoring the patients, continuously you are taking the care of the patients. Next is a repeated exposure. What is repeated exposure is we are visiting the same patients a repeated time or 2 times or 3 times per day. After our health staff is visiting a different coronavirus patients, so he can be exposed to the patients of coronavirus infection infected by different strains. So a doctor individually can get all the strains of infection of a coronavirus. So we feel that it's not only the tough time to the public or the society that they are getting infected, it's also tough time to the corona warriors like we health staffs, because we are more risky involved in the situation. See, certain factors apart from these are also involved in the person's immunological changes. See, if we know the doctors or any health staffs, if the person gets anxiety or the person gets a stressful situation, his immunology is definitely going to change. As the immunity playing a major role in the coronavirus infection, immunity getting disturbed will definitely lead to some certain comorbid or comorbidity conditions. All the health staffs invariably forcefully motivated to handle the situation. So all the health staffs are demotivated and desaturated. And much more we are there in the treating the patients, we are there in the situation, we are much more anxious than the public. Fear of a life is more than compared to the survival of a patient or survival of a situation. People or the administrator are made us as a scapegoats, either willingly or non-willingly. We are put in the situation to handle. It hurts a lot. Society will praying for the politicians or praying for the film actors for the speedy recovery, but nobody is praying for the doctors if get infected for a speedy recovery. So these are the practical aspects where the doctors are usually demotivated, and because of this demotivation, the doctors or the health staff's mind setup will change, and they are forcefully handling the situation, and they are 100% under the stress, as this all leads to the immunological changes. In this situation, if the health staff is getting infected, their recovery becomes lesser as compared to the public society. See, we are put in a situation like we have to handle the situation with a fight of the fear, or we have to sacrifice ourselves to win the situation. Either we win or either we sacrifice our life. So these are the things, like it's not only a tough time for the society, it's a tough time for the health staff as well.